Hey, welcome back guys, welcome back to the channel. This is DMV Moto Me. I know you guys been missing me, but I haven't been riding too much, man. I don't know why. I've been very busy, but I've been also very busy doing some testing and a lot of editing on my recent uploads that you guys must have seen by now. If you haven't, hey, check out the latest uploads, take a look, make sure you guys give a like and comment. There's a lot of work I put in, but today I'm out just gonna do a little short test with a DJI MIC 2 that you see right here. I have it on my jacket and I'm still trying to see if I can capture some good audio using this mic. I do have some hopes. I know it's not the perfect option out there, especially if you're into motor content and you're trying to get the crisp sound of the bike exhaust, and my bike is very loud. If you guys don't know what bike I'm talking about, take a look right over here, guys. This is my Ducati Monster 2018. And this is the 1200S. Let's do a little quick walk around. Yeah, there are a couple carbon pieces. It does have the Rapid Bike Evo upgrade install, which is a plug and play kind of a tuner, and it adjusts according to the rider's style of riding. And I put my AR Austin Racing Shorty exhaust back on this year. Bro, I love it. It's nice and loud and it throws flames, but I never get to capture the flames because I did not have a X5 or a 360 camera while riding. And the one that I just bought, you guys know what happened to it, right? Yeah, if you don't know what happened, man, it's on my last video towards the end. So it did take a little hit while I was leaning on a very beautiful road in the area. But yeah, one of the lenses is gone. I thought about repairing it myself because now you can repair the X5 yourself, the lens. But since it was still under the warranty, I was like, let me just ship it off and let them take care of it, because some of the body of that camera also got damaged. So I'm hoping that they'll just give me a new replacement. And now I'm going to do the test. I'm going to put the mic up a few spots I have in plan. One is under the windscreen. I have a magnet with a Velcro over there that I'm going to put. Then I'm going to put it in my jacket. It's not perforated, so no wind should go in. I hope it's a good option, good test. So side pocket and then the inner pocket. See how that will go. And I will cut down the gain to -4. But right now I'm recording with the noise cancellation, so there's a lot of extra environmental noise over here, so that is going to be cut. Let me show you one more cool thing that I got for traveling purposes, and because I do a lot of MotoVlogging, I needed this tank bag. Check it out. I do have a proper full video on this, which I uploaded sometime this year, a couple weeks ago. So this is pretty nice. It's a small bag, not too big, and it can just carry the right amount of my stuff that I need, so I don't have to be constantly removing my backpack while riding. So this is my DJI kit, the whole box, ND filters, couple accessories. This camera can fit into, and I can in fact still put in a water juice. So yeah, so far I've been loving it. I like it. See how you guys like this video. Remember to like, comment, and share, and follow us on Facebook for all the recent updates and group events that are happening. Alright guys, so apparently this mic is working. So when it's connected to the receiver, which is connected into the camera with the USB-C, the light does not turn red on this. It turns red, I guess, only when you're using the DJI MIC Solo, this piece, the transmitter, and you want to record using the internal memory of this. I am going to put this in my side pocket, and I will not use the noise cancellation yet. So yeah, let's put this in our pocket. Whatever is in this pocket gotta come out. My wallet, that's important, cannot lose that. So yeah, let's put this in the pocket. This is a beautiful spot. So the low cut is off throughout this test. Guys, I had to redo my plug because this one was leaking and that road was bad, man. Look at all this stuff that it got stuck on now. This part is about to get very flat. Need a new tire very soon. But look at all the life that this side has. Oh, we got a couple bikers out here. That's cool. Everywhere. So I was just gonna check the air to see if everything is good. So let me do that and I'll catch you back in a second. Now I got the mic in my jacket front pocket right here. So yeah, here are these tabs. See that? Let's fire it up. Yeah guys, that was a good run, right? Good acceleration, so you guys know what that sounded like. We're using this setting. Now for the very first time for recording motorcycle sound, I'm gonna put this mic on noise cancellation mode. So you press the power button and you'll see the light change to light green. So now it is in noise cancellation. So it's gonna reduce some harsh noises. I'm gonna put it right in the front again, same settings, everything, and then I'm gonna put it in my side pocket and then the front pocket. All right, let's do this. Alright guys, so that was the test. I think I'm done. Now I'm gonna head home very soon. Bring my kid out to the park right here. Fantastic day. Nice blue clear skies. Got some clouds, but that's nothing. I might give you a little surprise test on the next clip. Just make sure you watch the video till the end. And remember to comment and share. Let me know how the DJI mic sounded on these tests. If you think this is good, give me a thumbs up. Or if you think I need to try and tweak something else, give me some suggestions in the comments, guys. I'll be happy to test that out for y'all. Peace out. See you guys on the next one.